Right, this is video 9375. I'm going to be unboxing this Hot Wheel product on the wooden bench at Citadel Outlets in front of Hollister. Let's take a look at the wooden bench first. My new iPhone in 2020. One box, only one, and I'll unbox another one on the way back, but here's a wooden bench. So unfortunately, California Pizza Kitchen at Los Cerritos Center closed in the same month I came to this mall back in November of last year. Unexpectedly, it is permanently closed, and unfortunately, the nearest California Pizza Kitchen from this mall is Lakewood Mall, and the Cheesecake Factory, Los Cerritos Center. This bench looks exactly like that. The Cheesecake Factory bench. Because I'm gonna open, because they have the same design. I'm gonna open this Hot Wheel set right here on camera. Macy's bag right there. Okay. Go inside. One armrest for my phone. And this truck will be stored on the roof of the Hot Wheels garage. Not the roof, where the other cars are. Look at that right there. First Hot Wheel product unboxing video. I was gonna do one last year, but I didn't know that we would come this month. We were in the car. So yeah. Here we go. Push photos and